שובר לי את הלב, נשמע לי עכשיו לא עוזרת. בלילה התעלם. היית בא לי בלילות, לא להתעלם, נשמע לי שעברנו לא חוזרת. אתה שובר לי את הלב, נשמעתי שאף פעם לא חוזרת. אוקיי. Anything I'm going to do right now is to wait for the new 30-minute candle. Meanwhile, I'm going to do the business. התחנן לשבור לי את הלב, נשבעתי שאף פעם אני לא חוזרת. I hope. Hey, everything is doing well. How about you? Welcome to the chat. Good vibes. You are a trader? Aide. Well done. So how your journey is doing? So how you doing in your journey? You doing well? It's a hard road to take. What the fuck? Okay. Okay, no bad. JBP and JPY. Now I'm going to make it more clear. JBPJPY. Like here, this is JBP, JPY, and the other chart is gold. Yeah, Forex. You also a Forex trader? Ah, okay. This is not a bad pair, it's a good one. There is a volatility in it, but you know, I was thinking to take it, maybe to try it out, but this is the pairs I choose. Now I'm maybe going to take a buy on GJ. Let's see. No. I'm not sure. No, I'm not going to take a buy on DJ. I wanted to take. around half an hour before New York opening and 1 hour after. I used to trade to until like I used to trade 1 hour before New York opening until like 5 p.m. Israel time. But now I want to minimize the chance of losing and increase my probability by focusing only on the New York opening volume. So I am going to place a trade only for this time, like in this hour, and the 1 hour after. Like beyond of this, I'm not going to trade, because usually I found myself that I'm losing after that. Yes, so I want to focus only on New York opening and the first hour of New York. Yeah, great. What? What pissed you off? Yeah, you cannot like you cannot be in so many places at the same times. Sometimes you will miss a trade. It's obvious you are not there, so there is a probability of you to miss the trade. But your mindset is supposed to be that, okay, even though I'm going to miss a future trade that I cannot predict, I know that I am in my safe place. Like I am minimize my risk to a specific time of the day, and I know that I'm not going to trade above this hour. So this is, for me, is the way I see it. If I start to trade like from now and the 1 hour after, like from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Israel time, I'm also minimize my probability to lose, and I'm also, in the other hand, I'm not going to place too many trades during the day. So like if my setups is to wait for the 30-minute candle to close, so if I start from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. I have only 2 opportunity to place a trade. So if I have only 2 opportunity to place a trade, my probability is to only lose on 2 trades a day. But if I'm extending my trade day to over 4 p.m., so I'm going to max the probability of me to lose. So what I want to do is to focus only on a specific time of the day, increase of my probability to success, even though that I know that there is a chance I'm going to miss a future trades, but I'm in my safe place. I'm only in 1 hour of the day that I know this hour is the most volatile hour of the trading day. So for me, sound good. Why not? Yesterday I tried out, and it was a very huge success for me after a few days of losses. You don't want to be too much in front of the charts. You don't want, because it's like a casino. You want to be in and out. You don't want to stay at the casino all the day because you increase your probability to lose. Yeah, of course. Listen, everyone, each trader have his own way. You can stay at the casino all day and not play. Yeah, yeah, of course you are. Yes, you can stay in front of the computer all day and not place any trade. But imagine yourself that like you see you see opportunity, but it's too much, it's too aggressive. But you are 23 hours in the chart. Maybe if you are doing a swing trade, you know, but as a day trader is involved babysitting. But you need, if you want to take it as a future job, you need to think for yourself how you're going to be in the future. Like, you really want to do it all the time, all of your life. So you need to build. I believe you are not. Be- I think as a trader, you need you don't need to think about it in the aspect of I'm going to lose opportunities. You need to think about it that you want to focus on something, not on so many things at the same time. But it's tanking right now. Really? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if I have if I can see the Nasdaq. I believe I can. I'm not sure, but let's see. Not symbol. View market watch. QQQ, you said. UK, US. Yeah. I know I wanted to trade Nasdaq before, but I know Nasdaq is a specific time on the opening of the market is the better like you have the most of volume in the opening market. Forex section, BTC, Alibaba. US 2000, no. Spot in the sector, no. US 30, US 100 cash, here. I think it's the US 100. Yes, 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 yes. Let's see. Let's put my template. Let's put it here. US 100. Yeah, I see. Let's see. But I don't think he's going to continue down. Maybe you need to wait for this. Yeah. You see, this was my setup. If I was like in this on this pair, what I will do is to place a trade here, because we have a fake out. This is a fake out. We have close inside of the range, close inside of the range, and with this candle the dropping down all the way and fill this wick, fill this candle, this clean range. If I was like, look at it. 1 minute, I come back with one. Let's see what you. That's correct. Most of what is on US Open, but actuals when you can. Yeah. It's broke turn 2. Where you learn to trade? Like all the setup I'm using, I learned from Raja Banks, if you know who is this guy. I learned from Raja. I also. Okay. Great, why not? I used to do it, but as I found out, I'm not the type of guy who can do it by himself. So I needed to take a course and follow it. What you say? Maybe there is a very nice moves, but it's not so predictable. The US 100. Wow. Yeah. I'm not using any indicator, only price action. I'm not in any indicator, nothing. There is so many approach to the market, is like crazy. Everyone can, each one can see it in a different way. Now I'm basically like say I want, if you can, here take Jewish. This is my Discord. But I don't have a Discord on my computer. Maybe you can screenshot of your chart just to see how you analyze everything. You know, not right now. As you, when you feel comfortable. מה קוראים לזה? No, that I don't want to screenshot. Okay, never mind. I just was interesting. Okay, so I'm going to see. Voila, is keep going down. QQ and 100. So you are in a trade now. Yeah, sound great. It's always exciting to talk about trades and the stock market and all these kind of things. It's never change. It's like there is always things to talk about. Yeah. I got you. In my journey, I had times that I was thinking I'm going crazy. Like really, like I'm really going to lose my mind. I had some days like this, that I was thinking I'm going to lose my mind. Wow. I broke my TV. Wow, what I broke my phone. I did really a lot of anger. Really. I used to have a big plasma, like a big TV plasma, and I fucking punch it, and I broke it. All my hands was table flip. But I would never touch my setup. Never. And I thinking is never going to happen again. All the anger and everything, because now I'm focused. Yeah, and every end of a trading day, I'm going working out. Always. I'm going to work out, running, a little bit heavies, to keep yourself healthy at least. A bit of heavy hit, clean your mind. I'm going to Iran and I'm like processing everything, all my day, what happened, what I could do better. You should. It's like a rule. For me, it's a rule. I'm ending a day. I'm changing clothes. I'm going to work out. Not excusing. Not excuse. Nothing. Even if it's raining, it's the sun, is hot outside. I don't give a fuck. If I'm going to if I'm going to pass on one day, I'm going to, not do it anymore. Pinball, what is pinball? Let me, I know, I think I know, but pinball. Okay, I got you, okay. Is this game? Yeah, right. Yeah, I used to like this game. I don't think that is keep your body fit, but yeah, the mind, I can agree on it. It's like a meditation. Like the play. How old are you? What is your name? Alright. I don't think I can have an opinion on it, because it don't seems like it's going by the rules of my rules, because it have a huge drop down where there is almost no range to go on, like a lot of resistance, but still going down. I don't like to think if it's go down, so is now is going to flip. There is, for me, in my point of view, higher chance if the price is going down drastically, so it's going to continue down with the trend. It's so manipulative, like the big sharks is swimming out there, manipulating the prices. It very depends which time frame you look on. I'm looking everything above 15 minute. What is below 50 minute, I'm not even look at. 15 minute and above. My execution is on the 30 minute. So you are very short term. 1 minute. I will never see myself do it on the 1 minute. It's so hard. It's so hard, really. Oh, you are not looking on anything? Only 1 minute? Ah, 1 minute to 1 month. Okay. Okay, at least you have multiple time frame views. At least that. How many screens you have? I have only 3. So if you look from 1 minute to 1 month, you need to have like four screens. I got you. So you're going to make money and buy yourself a crazy ass setup. Back then, in the days, I sold my motorcycle and I bought everything I have right now. Like, not everything. I have a new keyboard, a new mouse, and this is new. This microphone is like new. But everything I have like for so many years. No, I just say, you are going to make money and buy yourself, spoil yourself with a crazy ass setup. You don't have to have. Of course not. Of course you don't have. You can make a fortune only on a laptop. It really doesn't matter. It's just for convenience, like more to feel more comfortable. But no, you're not needed at all. Um, yeah, like a good, like a good. I want, yeah, like in the future, a good laptop and the things you can put on and have like another two screens, and that's it. To trade like this, or to buy a computer. I don't know if you heard about a laptop that called Violet project, something like this. You have like a pre-made three screens, amazing, of Razer, something crazy. Project Violent, something like this. I don't know. That sound crazy. It's beautiful. You know, this is what I want in life. I want to travel. I want to see the world and trade in. Because of that, I want to found myself and found a strategy that I'm only 1 hour and a half on the stock on the screens. That's it. I like my free time. I like my time free. I don't want to be attached to it all day. No, I'm not all the time streaming. Yeah, but I'm not stream for entertainment. Like I'm not do it for views. I'm not do it for. I'm do it for. Let me found the word. A word in English. Transparency. 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 Like I want to show to others that I have a proof that I am a good trader. Like the day I'm going to success and become a millionaire, I want to have a background, like a truck behind me. Like maybe you don't know, maybe attract students, attracts audience, all these kind of things, and maybe to open my own course. But this is not my main point. I'm stream myself. That's great. I'm open with everything, but I'm focusing only on my trades. Now I'm talking while I'm trading because I don't see anything right now. No, I'm out. I'm not. I'm not buy, no sell. I wanted 1 minute. Sorry. I want to take a buy here. This is GJ. You see on my here. I want to take a buy, but I want the price. Look at this red line. I want the price to close at least here, but it's close, almost almost in the range, almost inside of this line, and then it like retrace very low inside of the range, and then I knew that I'm not going to take this trade. I'm not going to take this trade because it's broke my rules, it's broke the way I approach to the market, that if the prices will continue up, it first of all need to close outside of the range, and he has no business to get inside of the range again if he want to continue up and fill this clean range. So what he did is close not in a very much strong bullish momentum, bullish candle, and eventually close inside and see. If I will took this trade and I'm like start to be emotional and I didn't want to miss this opportunity, now I've been in a loose position, because if I place trade, I'm going to put my stop loss below the previous 30-minute candle. So this is the reason I am not took the trade on GJ. And gold is very simple. Is if it was close here, maybe I would took a trade because it's below my sell zone. You see this red line? This is my sell zone. Sell zone I'm determined by the daily time frame, and I'm looking for a break of structure, a break of low or high in the 1 hour or 4 hour that can have a little bit of make sense of taking a long or a short position. Because if I want to take a short position, I want to see the 1 hour break the low of the previous 1 hour, and or is going on a clean range. Like, see how beautiful. If it was like close here, if this huge candle didn't go all the way here and it was close here, for example, I would execute the trade, a sell position, because it's below my sell zone. Sell zone. Sell zone is very simple. If I have a sell position, a sell setup above the sell zone, I'm not going to take it, because it's above the sell zone, because it's above the line. If it's below the line, I'm not going to take any buys, because I am now looking for sells. So I'm predetermined my bias. So if I have a predetermined bias, so I'm again minimize my probability to lose, and minimize my probability to catch on a fake out or a fake down. Now, as I see, what is the day today? You know, sometimes I'm losing day tracks. Okay, Wednesday, Tuesday. And another thing, I'm not trading on Friday. I'm not trading at all on Friday. Friday, yeah, I know. Friday is the day that is for family. You know, I'm Jewish. I'm Jewish. Friday is like is a holy day. We have a Shabbat dinner, and in this day we are not making money. So, like as a respect as a Jewish, and also that if I'm thinking about the future, I want my Fridays free. I don't want to be at work on Friday. I guess, but yeah, you cannot miss it. But sometimes people do miss it. I have another account. You can find me there during the day. That I play CS2. I like to play CS2. This is a new hobby of me. I don't know, I like it. It reminds me my childhood. I want. Wait a minute. You know what I'm going to do for you? I'm going to put my center screen on. Display capture. Yes. Okay. This is your chat. Let's put it here so I can see what you say. No, but I can't. Okay, I can't see what you writing down, but let me show you what I'm going to do. Let's go by the daily. For me, this is a buy or a sell zone, okay? Daily 4 hour. 4 hour, as I can see, broke the previous 4 hour candle, and you also have a no bottom wick. Let's move on. 4 hour, 1 hour. As we can see, we are in a bullish trend, but no clean range, so it can be like a block here that going to prevent the price to go down. What I'm going to do is to wait. This is the 30-minute time frame. If this is like a sell zone and I'm looking for a setup of sell, I'm sorry if you have a question I'm not answering because I cannot see your I cannot see the chat window. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait the price to close here, you know, to be a little bit like here of the week, but also I don't want to have a too much bigger big 30-minute candle. Like if this 30-minute candle is going to close here, is like I have so much of is too much. But in the other hand, I also have this range. Like if this candle like close here and you have another 30-minute, like if it's now 3:45, we're waiting for 4 p.m. candle. If the 4 p.m. candle is going, like if this going to close here and you have another one, I will want to wait the 30 minutes to retrace, touch this zone, make a top wick, and then place a trade. Because if you make a top wick, I'm going to place a trade, one stop loss here and one stop loss above the current 30-minute candle, and anticipating the price should go all around here. I do take into consideration this thing on the left. Maybe we'll found a resistance here, so I will put my TP here, entry here, and I have all this range to fill. This is basically what I've been doing. If I was like on Nasdaq pairs. Okay, so how is it? Let's bring me on. Yeah, you see, understand? So this is what I will do if I was like in QQQ, but you also to take into consideration that it's better for you to wait for if it's like for me is 3:50 p.m. you want to wait to the market open. So maybe in the market open you will have, like if you have a sell setup, maybe the market open will continue with the trend. I don't know, but maybe the better thing to do is to wait. Okay. So like in 10 minutes from now, if it's going to cross the sell zone, maybe it's going to continue with the trend. Yeah, I do. I'm basically like finish my day. I didn't took any trades today. Yesterday I had 2K. I took a 2K win. Yeah. It was 1 hour and a half trade. It was crazy. Like at some point I just put my stop loss in a certain kind of point and I go out. Like I can't sit too much in front of the computers. I don't want it. I like the idea of making money of the stock market, but I'm not want to do it all day long. I don't want. It's too much like aggressive. It means stop loss tend to work against you. It's not is tend against you, it's like is your protection. No, it's your protection. This is how you determine how much you want to lose. This is the most important thing. Oy, oy. Oy, 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 oy. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if you can see it. Son! Son! Shoot! Oy, 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 oy. Yeah. Sometimes you feel like the market hunt your stops. שמנה שלי. Okay, buddy. It was very nice to meet you. I'm going to end this stream. I hope to see you again. If you are very welcome. You are very welcome, you know, to hit a follow and everything, you know, to know when I'm on. Take care, brother. Take care. Hope to see you tomorrow. Have a good luck.